Move it back. Up its sides. I knew there was some rot behind this deck, but I had no idea it was this bad. The rim joists under the door were completely rotted. I removed all the damaged wood and opened the exterior wall until I reached solid material and left the wall open to dry for several weeks. During this build, I'll show you several ways I used to keep rain, melting snow, and ice away from the house. Once everything was dry, I rebuilt the structure and installed new joists under the door. Next, I went to the shop to build the new deck frame. Parfait. Lui, ça tient un homme. I added aluminum flashing to direct rainwater away from the house. I doubled the joist in the frame to make the structure stronger, since I'm planning to add a roof above the deck this spring. Screws can snap in the cold, but nails will bend before they break. That's why I added several nails to the frame. These metal brackets let me fasten the deck boards from underneath, so the top stays clean and protected. back in the shop to prepare the lumber for the deck boards. I milled this wood on my sawmill last summer. These small blocks act as spacers so every deck board has the same gap and water can drain properly. The deck is solid again. Now I need to build the stairs. In another video, I show how I build a strong set of stairs using a different technique than traditional stringers. I'll also add a small roof above the deck to keep rain, snow and ice as far away from the house as possible.